Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we have got this immaculate Suzuki Jimny. Now this Suzuki Jimny has got incredibly low mileage, just 12. It is four-wheel drive, it is very cool, and in today's video I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. Now this Suzuki Jimny has got the 1.5 litre petrol engine with an automatic gearbox, and with that you get a fuel economy of around 41 miles to the gallon. It has 101 brake horsepower, it's an insurance group 33E, and it's £230 a year for the road tax. As I already mentioned, this car is in as new condition and it has covered just 12 miles. So we're just going to take a walk around and just show you around the car. So we'll start off on the front bumper down here. These are due some plates which arrive hopefully today. Now let's have a look at the grille. They're very nice, these Jimny grills, very distinctive. The bonnet, all looking lovely and shiny. Show you the windscreen there. Again, all looking good. Now these cars, we have fitted the custom roof rack on, which we think makes them look very cool indeed. Let's take a look down the driver's side here. We'll show you this wheel. All the wheels again, immaculate, but that is what they look like. Let's take a nice little look down here. Again, all looking good and clean. Now these cars are keyless entry, so if you've got the key in your pocket, you can just tap the little button. There's your spare wheel. That is the rear screen there. Just show you that roof. Now onto the passenger side. Again, wheels all looking good. Really not much to say. They are the Suzuki Jimny. This one is in a very nice grey colour, which again I think the roof rack really complements the colour. Okay, so that's a look on the outside. Let's take a look inside. Right, let's have a look in the boot here. So, as you can see, it's a single door that opens up. Now, the back of these seats have got a hard cover the same as this here. That is so that you can pop these seats down, just like so, and it gives you a bigger boot. Nice size space. And if you want a little bit of extra storage, there is this here that just opens up. Put some goodies in there. You have got a 12 volt socket just there too. Now to put these seats up, you simply just pull them up, wait for the click, pull them up, wait for the click. Two seats that we just put up here, they both have Isofix, these two rear seats. And what we'll do is we'll just pop that seat back there. I'll show you these two front seats. Again, this car is in as new condition, so the seats do reflect that. There is no wear and tear on them. And same with the dash. It's all very tidy looking, very much like new. We've even got some protective factory film still on there. So inside here, you've got quite a good spec. You say you've got your start buttons there, folding electric mirrors. There's your indicators. There's your wipers. You've got your cruise control on the steering wheel here. Volume controls there. Now this centre, what do you want to call it? Player, console screen. I've lost the words for it. This thing, it does play Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as it does have the radio. Now in here is a USB port to connect to the Apple CarPlay. Right, excuse me. So here you've got your climate controls, you've got your window controls there, there's your gear stick, there's your four-wheel drive selector. Down here you've got your two heated seat buttons and your handbrake. We'll just start it up. So I've got my foot on the brake, keys in my pocket, tap that button there and it will start up. All those go off. There we go. So as you can see, it's all looking good. The only thing that's on is the cold warning light dash because, again, we've just started the engine up from cold. After a minute or two, that disappears, as per all the Jimnys. But yeah, as you can see, it's also only got 12 miles on the clock. So yeah, there's not really much more to say. There's no warning lights. And again, here's your screen lit up here. So if once you've connected your USB, you can just tap the Apple CarPlay icon or the Android Auto icon. So this car will come with a year warranty and a service ahead of delivery. But if you like this car, you can secure the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do offer finance and delivery also. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We are very proud of them. But thank you for watching.